In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can set your sniper rifle rangefinder here in Battlefield RedSec. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. In this case, I am going to be doing this in the firing range, but you can do this in-game if you like. But the first thing you're going to want to do is just make sure you have the rangefinder equipped. You can do this on your recon class. Just select your sniper rifle and then scroll over those attachments and just make sure a rangefinder is actually equipped in order to do this. From here, simply just go ahead and aim in. And what you're going to want to do while you're aiming down the sights is just press down on the D-pad just like so, and you'll see down kind of in the bottom right, it's going to be changing that rangefinder just above where it shows my ammo. This changes by 100 meters, so it's going to be 100, 200, 300, etc. Just tap to adjust it step by step, and if you want like even longer distances, specifically 500 plus in Battle Royale, just hold down on that D-pad and it's going to automatically set that range for you. This is going to make it so your bullet drop off doesn't drop off so bad, and it'll make you hit a lot more long range shots. If you're on mouse and keyboard though, simply hold down the aim sights button and then hit that B key, and this is going to do the exact same thing that the controller does. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.